Want to update your car with the latest tech and road safety features? Then check out today's digest. It highlights the best car gadgets to buy this year. You like keeping your car up to date with the latest tech and safety features. So, of course, you're wondering which car gadgets you should buy this year. Well, from MagSafe phone chargers to devices that alert you about your car's health, the best car gadgets to buy in 2022 have a range of cool features. Improve the air you breathe on the go with the Scosche Fresh Air portable air purifier. This compact little gadget fits in your vehicle's cup holder, so you can easily take it from place to place. With 3-stage HEPA filtration, it collects 99.95% of small particles, including dust and pollen. Moreover, it pulls in odors to neutralize them and releases clean, fresh air that you'll like to breathe. It has touchless 2-speed fan and turns on when you simply wave your hand. Additionally, its lightweight aluminum alloy construction ensures it's durable enough to handle moving from one spot to another. Crafted with a 24-watt dual-port USB charger, it both powers up while you're on the go and charges another device at the same time. No matter your car's age, the AutoZen driving assistant easily and affordably turns it into a smart, distraction-free vehicle. It offers the latest safety tech, such as audio alerts, Alexa access, emergency assistance, auto meeting dialer, and mileage tracking. Plus, it has unique features, like providing audio reminders based on your location or calendar. Others can also request your live location and ETA, and it updates them with automated arrival notifications. AutoZen brings safety and tech to any car by allowing you to selectively block texting and distracting apps and notifications. It also adds hands-free control for music, navigation, and more. Proactively prevents speeding with high-speed alerts and drive score, along with AI-powered reports to show driving behavior. AutoZen's all-in-one safe driving assistant keeps you focused, organized, and connected to friends and family. That's all while giving you control over your privacy and visibility. Keep your phone in safe view while you're on the road with the mophie Snap Plus wireless vent mount MagSafe car charger. Providing universal wireless charging, it works on contact. In fact, it delivers a safe, efficient charge of up to 15 watts to your compatible new iPhone. Made with a magnetic array, its charging begins immediately. Moreover, it ensures you hit the right, accurate spot for charging every time you place your phone on it. Its easy design gives you hands-free functionality so you can make calls and follow GPS directions safely, even as you drive. Finally, it has a removable charging puck that lets you stay powered up wherever you go when you use it as a wireless charging pad at home. Protect yourself and your vehicle with the Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam. This gadget has 3 cameras, a 155-dig front camera, a 165-dig inside camera, and a 160-dig rear camera, and they simultaneously record around your vehicle. In fact, they capture 1440p, 1080p, and 1080p footage at 30 fps, and they offer a dual recording mode that captures 2560 by 1440 footage in the front and 1920 by 1080 30 fps footage inside and at the rear. Additionally, the front camera records at 1520p when used alone. Made with a Sony STARVIS CMOS sensor, an f1.4 aperture 6 glass lens observing the road, and an f1.8 6 glass lens observing the rear, it automatically increases exposure in the dark. Moreover, its 4 infrared LEDs face the car cabin to accurately capture the driver and passengers even in the dark. Finally, powered by a supercapacitor, it can handle temperatures from 14 deg F to 158 deg F. Block out other sounds on the road with the Jabra Drive in-car speaker. This car gadget comes with noise cancellation technology that reduces road noise and provides crisp, clear sound for your calls. What's more, installation is a breeze. Simply follow the voice-guided instructions to connect the device to your phone. Plus, you get verbal reminders when the battery is low, and your paired phone automatically connects when it's in range. Moreover, dedicated buttons allow you to answer calls directly from the device. But the Jabra Drive is for more than just calls. Use it to stream music and play GPS directions. In fact, you can even connect it to 2 Bluetooth devices at once. Furthermore, this car gadget provides you with up to 20 hours of battery life and has a wireless range of up to 10 meters. You'll love taking calls in the car with this hands-free speaker. Owning a vehicle comes with a lot of responsibility, but the Vivint Car Guard helps to soothe your worries. Equipped with an array of features, such as built-in car diagnostics, It lets you monitor your car's performance and status. It'll even remind you when it's time for regular maintenance and will notify you of potential mechanical problems. Additionally, the Vivint Car Guard can share your car's location, including while it moves or is stationary. Simply use the app to track your family member's location or to find your vehicle in a parking lot. Moreover, if this gadget detects something suspicious, such as a bump, you'll receive a notification, so you can act accordingly. That way you'll know of any potential dangers or someone attempts to steal your car. Conveniently power your car wherever you park or live with the ZipCharge Go portable EV charger. If you don't have off-road parking or rent a property, charging your car can be a torturous task. But this suitcase-size, portable EV charger offers a solution, so you never have to worry about a drained battery again. Most impressively, it provides up to 20 to 40 miles of range in 30 to 60 minutes. Simply charge the ZipCharge Go from any plug socket and wheel it to your EV using the handle where you plug it into the charge port. Moreover, with its sleek, lightweight form, you can store it in the trunk to use for long journeys. Finally, use the Go app to auto-schedule charging at a lower cost, receive status updates, and more. Use the Spigel wireless car charger to power your iPhone 12 or 13 series on the go. It rotates 360 degrees for flexible adjustment to view your phone, such as the GPS, while you're driving. Moreover, the Spigel wireless car charger is equipped with a powerful, thick coil to support fast wireless charging for quick power. Furthermore, this gadget remains firmly in place, thanks to the strong magnet, while it also supports MagSafe. Simply set your iPhone on the dock to wireless charge your device or just to display it. Finally, elegantly designed with a high-quality aluminum finish, it matches every car interior. Overall, mounting this dock to your car is simple, thanks to the 3-meter tape, and it easily demounts if you want to change the position or remove it from your car. Power your car and devices with the mophie PowerStation Go Rugged W air compressor. It's a 3-in-1 gadget that features a car jump starter, 2 USB ports, and a universal air compressor that can inflate tires, balls, air mattresses, and more. Furthermore, this useful gadget contains a powerful 55,500 mAh battery to charge your car or phone battery. In particular, it can jumpstart a full-size truck and 12V vehicle batteries in a few seconds. Plus, with many jumper cables, you have everything you need to continue your journey. You don't need to be experienced to use the mophie PowerStation Go Rugged W air compressor. In fact, the adjustable pressure setting lets you set the desired pressure level on the LCD screen for the exact amount of air every time. Designed for safety, this mophie device features easy-to-read indicator lights and spark-proof jumper cables. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.